For those who live in busy households with pets or kids, a vacuum mop is a good tool to have in your arsenal. It's more than just a vacuum because its steam mop sanitizes and dries your floor. There are many Mop Vacs to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best Mop Vacs from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Tino Floor Mop VC. The Tino Floor Mop Vac, specifically the Floor 3 Breeze Complete, is a compact yet powerful 2-in-1 cleaning solution for hard floors. This innovative device combines vacuuming and mopping capabilities, offering a streamlined approach to floor maintenance that doesn't compromise on performance despite its space-saving design. One of the Floor 3's most impressive features is its efficiency in leaving floors dry and streak-free within minutes. With a water recovery rate exceeding 90%, it ensures thorough cleaning while minimizing drying time, allowing for immediate use of the cleaned area. This high-performance cleaning is coupled with a self-propelled, lightweight design that makes maneuvering effortless, even on stairs and in tight corners. Maintenance is a breeze with the Floor 3's self-cleaning function. Simply place it in its storage dock and activate the hands-free cleaning cycle to keep the brush and tubes clean and odor-free. The complete edition goes a step further, including extra roller brushes and Tino's specialized cleaning solution, ensuring you're always prepared for unexpected messes. Number 2. Bissell Crosswave Wet Dry VC. The Bissell Crosswave Wet Dry Vac is a game-changing cleaning tool that combines vacuuming, washing, and steaming into one efficient device. Its innovative HydroSteam technology offers a significant improvement in tackling stubborn, sticky messes, providing up to 20% better cleaning performance. This all-in-one solution is particularly beneficial for pet owners, as it features a tangle-free design that minimizes hair wrap around the brush roll, making it easier to maintain a clean home without constantly battling pet hair. One of the standout features of the Crosswave is its sanitizing capability. Using the included hard floor sanitize formula, it eliminates 99.9% of bacteria, ensuring a truly hygienic clean. The package comes complete with 3 trial-size formulas, a washable filter, and an auto clean-out tray with an accessory holder, providing everything needed to get started right out of the box. Number 3. HAZO Bionic Hard Floor Cleaner. The HAZO Bionic Hard Floor Cleaner F500 is a game-changer in home cleaning technology. This innovative device simplifies the arduous task of floor maintenance by combining sweeping, mopping, and drying into one seamless operation. Its efficiency is remarkable, tackling any hard floor surface with ease and saving precious time for busy households. One of the F500's standout features is its solid liquid separation system. With separate tanks for clean and dirty water, it ensures a hygienic cleaning process. The clever design extends to its ability to wrap hair around the brush roller and deposit solid waste into a dedicated tray, making disposal a breeze. The cordless nature of the F500, coupled with its impressive 60-minute runtime, offers unparalleled convenience. This allows for thorough cleaning of most homes without interruption. Number 4. Shark Hydrovac Pro Mop Vac. The Shark Hydrovac Pro Mop Vac is a revolutionary cleaning device that combines vacuuming and mopping capabilities, offering a comprehensive solution for hard floor maintenance. This cordless marvel tackles both wet and dry messes with ease, employing powerful suction and hydro mopping to eliminate dirt, debris, stains, and grime. The result is a streak-free, clean surface that dries almost instantly. One of the Hydrovac's most impressive features is its continuous self-cleaning system. This innovative technology prevents the redeposition of dirt onto your floors, while the antimicrobial brush roll resists bacterial growth and odors. The device is versatile, designed to clean all sealed hard floors and even surface clean area rugs. Number 5. Hydrovac Dyad Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum. The Hydrovac Dyad Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum is a versatile cleaning powerhouse that combines the functionality of multiple devices into one efficient package. This 5-in-1 combo offers both a wet-dry vacuum and a multifunctional handheld unit, making it suitable for a wide range of cleaning tasks throughout the home. The Dyad Pro Combo's standout feature is its ability to vacuum and mop simultaneously, effectively tackling both wet and dry messes in a single pass. Its Dyad power technology, utilizing multi-rollers rotating in opposite directions, ensures thorough dirt removal. The improved edge-to-edge cleaning capability, thanks to its unique roller configuration, leaves no corner untouched. Intelligence meets convenience with the DirtTech Smart Sensor, which adapts cleaning power and water distribution based on real-time floor dirt analysis. The on-screen LED display guides users to focus on the dirtiest areas, optimizing cleaning efficiency. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.